Okay. Hi there folks, Andrea Cox here with AndreaCox.com, Alkalize with Andrea Detox Retreats, and the Detox Intuitive. I wanted to do a quick video for all of you today because so many of you message me and you're like, Andrea, what is copal? So I've got some copal here. This is 100% copal from Mexico, and you'll see it's really, really thick, right? So that's how you know you're getting authentic copal. I do sell copal on the Detox Intuitive. But today I want to talk about something different. While I light this copal, I want to talk about the difference between copal, Palo Santo, and sage. So I'm just going to kind of light these over here. Just talk about my. Going to kind of talk about the difference. So sage is what I'm going to let this burn before I blow it out, and there's a reason I'm going to let the Palo Santo and the copal burn before I blow them out. So most of you are familiar with sage. You know, you're like, oh, I'm going to burn sage when that person leaves my house that I don't like, or I'm going to burn sage, you know, to clear the air or to cleanse my tarot cards or what have you. Sage is good for cleansing. What you want to make sure you don't do is burn it too often, because if you burn it too often, you can actually clear too much energy out. You can even become sick. Fact. So you don't want to clear the good juju out as well. Now, Palo Santo is to invite positive energy in. So it smells really good. It almost smells like cedar wood to me. Palo Santo would be ideal to burn after you burn your sage. Rule of thumb is burn sage once a week, Palo Santo right after. Now, copal is a whole different ball game. They burn copal a lot at death ceremonies. The Mayans dealt with copal. My copal that I get is authentic copal from Mexico, deep in the heart of Mexico. So since this is so powerful in cleansing, I like to kind of do it in my hair. Ladies, if you went through a breakup, you can kind of put it under your skirt, no pun intended, just don't burn yourself, that would be dangerous. But I walk around my whole house, I clap in the corners of my home, and I just say a really positive chant as I walk around my house. Like, I invite love, laughter, happiness, and abundance in, or something of that nature. Health, love, happiness, and abundance. Or I say, bless my dogs, bless my family, bless me, and I clap in each corner. But I only burn copal once a month. Burning copal too often can it can really have some adverse effects, because energy is fluid. You want the energy to flow through your home, to flow through your body, to flow through your hair, to flow through your heart, to flow through your mind. And so when we burn these cleansing aids too often, we can disrupt the flow of our essence of just being who we really are. We can kind of detox it out too much. So I'm Andrea Cox. Would you do me a favor? Would you subscribe to this channel and hit the See All button? And would you also hop on over to AndreaCox.com and subscribe over there? Thank you so much. Be well.
Cool.
Thank you.
No problem.
I'm stoked.
Yeah, sick.